everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be cutting my son's hair here because we're in quarantine. Sometimes I cut his hair, sometimes he goes to the barber shop. It just depends. But since we're in quarantine and everything is closed, I will be cutting his hair here at the house. So this is my son Khalil. He is 7 years old. Say hi, Khalil. Hi. And as you can see, his hair is fairly long, but because we've been stuck in the house for weeks now, I won't lie, I haven't done anything to it. So it's been getting kind of matted and you can't tell the true length. I mean, I don't even know. It's time for us to do something with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and comb it out and try to give him a fade. And then, yeah, we're gonna wash his hair and style it. So this is his curly hair routine. When I do cut his hair and style it at home, this is how I would normally do it. Normally I would cut his hair in the bathroom because it's just easier, but for this video, we're just gonna cut it here. So this is his hair. It's longer on top and shorter on the sides. So I'm gonna be cutting all around here and then doing like a curly routine on top. All right, so here is just a close-up of his hair. I already sprayed a little bit of water in it just because I am gonna have to pick it out because his hair, I don't know if you can tell, but it is like really matted. A lot to do. I'm gonna comb all of this out. This is his before. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start picking out his hair, getting all the tangles out, all the good stuff, and then we will start the cutting process. And you guys, it's raining a lot right now, so if the lighting shifts in the video, that's why. And I forgot to mention at the beginning of this video, I am not a barber, I am not a hairstylist, so please don't judge me. this is what his hair is looking like after the cut. I don't know, I tried my best to like blend right in here, but I don't know, you guys. I didn't line him up or anything because I don't want to mess his hair up. I'm just gonna wash it. He's itching and stuff now, so we're about to get him in a bathtub. We'll go ahead and bathe him, wash his hair, and then we're gonna style it, okay? So then I'll show you guys the results afterwards. All right, so to style his hair, I'm just gonna use the Carol's Daughter hair milk, and then the coily custard from Miss Jessie's. All right, guys, so you guys have seen the results of my cutting my son's hair. He didn't like it. My daughter didn't like it. They basically said it was ugly, so, you know. But we're in quarantine, so he has time to grow it out without having anybody see him. I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye.